Future Doctors presents.
Nikolai Nikolaevich Semyonov was a Soviet physicist, chemist, and educator, one of the founders of chemical physics. He made a great contribution to the development of chemical kinetics. Semyonov was born in Saratov in the family of Elena Dmitrievna and Nikolai Semyonov. He graduated from the Department of Physics of Petrograd University 1913-1917, where he was a student of Abram Fedorovich Iov, a world-known physician. After graduating from the university, he became an aspirant. His major scientific achievements include the quantitative theory of chemical chain reactions, the theory of thermal explosion, combustion of gas mixtures. Since 1916, Semyonov began to deal with the problem of gas ionization. Semyonov wrote two important books outlining this work. Chemical Kinetics and Chain Reactions was published in 1934 with an English edition in 1935. It was the first book in the USSR to develop a detailed theory of unbrushed and brushed chain reaction in chemistry. Some problems of chemical kinetics and reactivity, first published in 1934. Some problems of chemical kinetics and reactivity, first published in 1954. There are also English, American, German, and Chinese editions. In 1956, he was awarded the Nobel Prize in Chemistry, together with Sir Cyril Norman Hinshelwood, for this work.
Pavel Nikolaevich Yablachkov was a Russian electrical engineer and the inventor. He is most known of Yablachkov Cantor. He was born in the village of Yablachkov in Saratov region, in the family of an impoverished nobleman. Pavel liked to design since childhood. He invented a goniometer and a device for counting the distance traveled by a cart.
Yablachkov graduated in 1866 as a military engineer from Nikolaev Engineering Institute. Yablachkov's major innovation was the first model of an arc lamp. It was cheaper, simpler, and more conventional than the previous carbon lamp of Russian and had a great success. He went to Paris in 1876, got a French patent for his invention. The first public use of the Yablachkov system was in October 1877 in Louvre.
Later, Yablachkov was a mostly booth with problems of generation electrical energy. When he came to Russia, he continued his work in Saratov.
Fyodor Abramovich Blинov was a Russian self-taught mechanic, entrepreneur, and inventor who introduced one of the first tracked vehicles, a wagon on continuous tracks, in 1877, patent in 1879. During the road, he received a vacation from the landowner and worked as a barge hoe. Later, Blинov got a job of a stoker on the steamer Hercules. Since 1855, he worked as a machinist. Once, when the crankshaft broke, he repaired the steamer and improved it. The ship was able to turn on the spot.
Blинov also created a single-cylinder pump of an original design. He organized production of water pumps in Balakovo in Saratov region. In 1889, the pump was demonstrated at the Saratov exhibition and got the silver medal. His son Porfiry carried out the father's work and opened a factory of oil engines and water pumps, which employed 150 men.